So the exercise that I'm going to be going over with you now is the plank jack. So this is going to be a combination of a full plank in push-up position and a jumping jack. So our feet are pretty much going to open in the same jumping jack position while we are in a full plank. And this is how it looks like. When we're in full plank, make sure nice and firm hands planted onto the floor, engaged in the core. So we're going to open and jump. Now, while you're jumping, if it's too much weight for your legs and your knees are keep pushing forward towards the floor, close the gap just a little bit and try to build up. So this is what I mean. If your knees are dropping down, then we're going to reduce the width at which you're jumping. And that's our plank jack.